Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that the white whale token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the white whale is a community driven Solana meme coin built around an anti-predator narrative that critique manipulative market practices and champions transparency. Narrative driven purpose. It positions itself as a moral compass and a whale for the pupil, focusing on educating its community about market mechanics over hype. Solana based foundation launched on the Solana blockchain. It leverages its speed and low fees for the high frequency trading typical of meme coins. Fixed supply and treasury. It has a fixed fully circulating supply with no bonus or taxes and utilizes a transparency treasury system to mitigate developer dumping concerns. The white whale project institution rating is 3.4. The white whale token total supply is around 999.82 million and circulating supply is also 999.82 million white whale token. White whale token is listed on Bybit, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.